back to Snapshot Medical Kitchen's Cheat Days. Today we're making a little take on the specialty rolls that you can order in an Italian place, like, you know, it's usually pepperoni or sausage, but we're going to do this for, it's a great party food. You cut them up into pieces and you can just grab it and go. So we're making 3 different kinds today. We're making meatball parm, chicken parm, and buffalo chicken bacon blue cheese. So in a little bit, I'm going to have on the screen all the different ingredients in each one, and then I'm going to show you how to fold them. Not healthy really at all, but I did make the chicken cutlets in the air fryer, so maybe it's a little bit better than frying them. But you know, just a nice party food, you know, stuff that you can have as many different varieties as you want. These are just the 3 that we chose. You can do cheeseburger, you can do sausage and peppers. You know, there's a bunch of different ways you can go with it. But I'm just going to show you how to fold it and prepare it, and we'll see how it turns out. Thanks, guys. Alright guys, so here we have our dough, and we're going to cut it so that there's a little tip on this part. That way you can spread that out, and it's going to be the part that you flap over. So we're just going to go ahead and cut it. Okay, so we have a nice piece of dough here, and then we're going to flatten it out like this. Alright, so now that we have the stuffing in, we're going to take the base and flip it over as much as you can, like that. We're going to take the part with the tip, fold it over like this, and now we got a perfect roll. We might cut off a little bit of the extra on the sides, but right there it's perfect.